Good morning, everyone. This is Eld Trades, and this is the market update and the Treasury update. So let's dive right in. All right, first of all, on paper, the Treasury is about 1 million. We estimated with what DBank isn't picking up that it's above 1.1 million. As it stands, people keep selling. That is beyond me, but that happens, so it is what it is. And the Treasury index is 1.3 on paper and should be above 1.4 in theory, in actuality, actually. Anyways, so we've been doing pretty well, even after giving the dividends and some of that back. We have still been increasing the Treasury because, well, the market's been doing well, but we've managed to catch some big buys. Excuse me, I lost my voice a bit. Anyways, so we haven't bought much since last update. We've just been riding the wave. Right now, BTC, I think I've already told you, but after getting rejected from the 200-day, losing momentum, it's getting a bit high risk, especially with alts. It doesn't mean that they're going to stop running, but there's not really any reasons to keep on buying around these areas. In fact, I'd rather break the 200-day SMA, back test it, and go on from there. Overall, the macro structure is still very nice. That's why we're not really selling much either. If we do have the retrace, we have still a lot of stable coins above 200 grand to keep buying the dips. So that's really good. If we look at Ethereum, for example, yeah, it's already breaking out of the 200-day. There is a problem of like 4-hour bearish divergence. I'll show you now. Bearish divergence there from that high to that high, but at the same time, like, it's slowly creeping up. I don't know, if it turns to positive momentum, it's just going to be bullish again. So basically, there's a lot of mixed signals, and when there's mixed signals, there is no reason to trade at all, right? And that's what many traders get. They mistake in these markets is they think they always have to trade, but there's neutrality in this type of chart, and the positions we are in are set for these type of moments, whereas even if we don't know in the short term whether it's going to go up or down, they are strong positions for the long term, which always yield us good farming rewards. So eventually, even if there is some turbulence or some down, retrace in the market, in a long term, speaking monthly, maybe even a year, we will still outperform most of the market. Anyways, guys, yeah, this is a short one because there's actually not been much more action in the market. We are focusing a bit. I'm letting a bit more loose on meme coins. We actually bought up some Doge coins like Kuma and I think Kiba and Elon. And the reason is because it looks like to me like Doge and Shiba are about to run. And I've allowed us to gain some more risk, whereas if they do run, I believe that eventually people will try to catch up to them and they'll try to buy the cheaper Doge coins, right? The Doge coins. And so we're well positioned for that just in case that does happen. I believe it will, and we'll see. As time goes on, I want to look into the ecosystems of Arbitrum and Phantom again, maybe Kronos, and add to that if I see fit. But in the short term, guys, literally very neutral market. Like, gun to my head, I think we're bullish short term. We are obviously still bullish long term. What really matters, of course, is the SPX, the world market. Well, the SPX is I'm going to get rid of that, the top 500 companies in the US, but it moves the world markets. Nothing wrong here. You're above the 200-day. You're making hidden bullish divergence if you actually go up and make a higher low. So that's very good. But at the end of the day, if it dumps, it will take BTC with it, right? And that is something we cannot afford. So no reason to buy anymore here. We're well positioned, and in the future we will do well. Anyways, guys, thank you for your time, and I'll see you next update. Bye bye.